we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this type of syrup. We're going to be looking at how to say more confusing names and medical terms, including from Spanish. So stay tuned until the end of the video and to the channel to learn more. Alright, so let's get back down to the pronunciation. Ipecac. So you have 3 syllables, E, and you want to stress on this one, pe, cac. So overall, Ipecac. It's easy, right? And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I do appreciate your support and your like. Stay tuned to the channel. I'll see you soon. See you there with more pronunciation videos. And thanks for watching.